Hi everyone, another unboxing. Now there's a bit more of a purpose to this one. People have asked me about these starter kits. Not this one specifically, but starter kits in general. Many times I've said that even at this stage in my crafting, and I've been doing this, well, I've been doing crafts since I was about 5. So that's over 50 years now. But even all this time into my resin crafting, and I'm a number of years into UV resin crafting in particular, I still buy starter kits. Now sometimes it's because the starter kit turns out to be such great value that if I need some more stuff, whatever type of resin it is or whatever medium, if there's a starter kit for it, sometimes you get so many bits and gubbins with it that you look at the starter kit and think, actually, you know what, that's really good value. I won't just buy a bottle of this or a packet of that. I'll get another starter kit. So yes, I still buy these even now. And also, I think if you're just starting out in a craft, starter kits are definitely the way to go, because I wasted a lot of money trying to buy this, then that, then that, then that, when really I could have just got a starter kit with everything in, and then I know I've got the right things that go together, because the number of things I've bought that have been wrong, or then I've realised it wasn't what I wanted in the first place. And anyway, starter kits. So here's an example. We've got Christmas coming up. Where are we now? 11th of December? Okay, it's cutting it a bit fine. But if you've got a crafty friend in your life that you want to treat to something, think about starter kits if there's a craft that you think they might like that they haven't tried yet. So this is a good example. This is the one from UV Resin, and it's for ultraviolet curing resin. I did actually ask them to send me this. As you know, I get through an awful lot of UV resin anyway. But I asked them if they would send me a little starter kit to show you. So thank you, UV Resin. As I just want to show you what comes in it. Now, this is going to be some noisy unwrapping, I'm afraid. Sorry about that. Tell you what, I'll get some scissors that'll make it a bit less noisy. Lots of crackly noises. Crafts make great noises, don't they? So straight away, if you were just starting out in a craft, your starter kits, for whatever starter kits they are, tend to have some of the tools you need. So we've got little pots, we've got stirry things. We have, let me take this over here to be less noisy. A really nice little silicone mat, and it's quite a decent substantial one too. Now if you're doing UV resin, you don't necessarily need a big mat, do you? It's all stuck together. That was a satisfying noise. Now that, I think, is just a nice size. Okay, so you've got your mat, you've got your tools. See what I mean about starter kits? I mean, they're great. We've got 2 bottles of the resin, complete with the little nozzles. I'm going to leave those in the bag for now. And a little lamp. And some really good detailed instructions. Dead simple. It outlines what you get in the kit, how the resin works, the safety aspects as well, so your cautions here, some frequently asked questions, and the different sorts that they do. So they do a soft type one as well, I hadn't noticed that. Oh, and the colours, there we are. So that I think is a great little kit, and of course the thing you're always going to need, a really neat dinky little UV light. Neat, eh? So I think, let me show you. Have a look on the website. I know a lot of brands do starter kits. You can get starter kits for all sorts of things. You can get starter kits for epoxy. You can get starter kits for pretty much anything nowadays. I think that's a damn good kit. Now, there's a cable in here for the lamp too somewhere, I'm sure. Yeah, I'll find it in a minute. So, yeah, look at that as a Christmas present, birthday gift or whatever, for anybody wanting to start out in a craft. Or just for yourself when you want to restock. My little baby lamp, I've had it for years. It's starting to look a bit mucky. It still works well, but it doesn't look so good on camera. And my big ones, again, they're a bit big for on camera when I'm doing small work and showing you. Little one like that, brilliant, comes in the kit. Couple of bottles of resin, plenty. Those are decent sized bottles. That'll keep you going for a while. Stirry doobries, I like these. Bendy, that always tickles me. I don't know why. And your mat. Just add imagination. away you go. So I hope you can see why I think still, even if you're an experienced resin artist, starter kits, there's the camera, starter kits are still really useful. So I think that is a great value kit. If the link for it is down below, by the way, and don't forget I've got a discount code for this. So any panicky last minute Christmas presents, either the Let's Resin website, or if you've got Amazon Prime, get it from there, because then you can be sure in getting it in time for Christmas. I don't know what the lead-in time is like if you order from the actual website, but the website is obviously where you'll get my 10% discount. Is it 10%? Yeah, my discount code anyway. So just a thought, it's time to getting close to Christmas now, as I film this. This might be an idea. If not this starter kit, what about, I've got the flower drying kit that's just for your online market as well, from Create and Bloom. I've got, what else have I got that's starter kits? I have got the little UV resin and little moulds and things kits from Beck Makes. I have got EcoPore starter kit. You name it. They just make awesome presents. And I think, for anybody who's like me and gets overexcited on Christmas morning and thinks, I want to play with that now, any old mould you could use that with. You don't even need a mould. I've seen people make incredible things without a mould. You've got your rubber mat, just make shapes on that. So, you know, am I making my point? Of all the things that I buy, I think honestly the ones that I've got best value and best learning from as well are starter kits. Yeah, when I started my UV resin journey, it was with one of these. When I started my epoxy resin journey, I tried loads of different brands, and I had several starter kits, so on and so forth. When I first started Jessamine, which ultimately I didn't get on with, and I've gone over to EcoPore instead, but I know a lot of people get on with it very, very well. They do a great starter kit. Anyway, I think I've laboured this point enough. Just an idea, and I did want to show you what comes in the neat little box. And you know what? These starter kits tend to come in neat boxes, so it's not easy to wrap. just a thought. Anyway, I will see you for my next proper video. Of course, these will all be making appearances at different times, as you would expect. So, see you soon, folks. And for anybody who I miss between now and Christmas, happy Christmas. See you soon.